Look at all the geese. They were just laying here, but they all got up because I came walking down to the trampoline. I'm gonna finish setting it up now. Look at these ones. Crossing over, that's cute. They're probably yelling because I'm out here. Distress call. Got them up. Now I need to go get the mesh to wrap it with. I have to go get a little tool to help pull the bottom pieces through because it's so hard on the fingers. Check it out. So I painted the cabinet. Looks pretty good, eh? Now I'm gonna attempt to paint this tile. You need a special kind of paint to paint tile, but I got some and I'm gonna give it a go. So this still has to be done on this side, but I got the front done and I love it. It looks a lot better. I do want to replace the sink and countertop one day, but right now I'm just trying to keep the cost down on things, so paint's a lot cheaper. Oh, and this is done, the cabinet. Looks good, eh? It's gonna look so much better once this tile's done. All right, we'll give it a go. I've never painted tile before, but my mother-in-law has, and I've seen people do it. You just need the right paint, that's for sure. This one here specifically says on it, you can use it on tile. That's a workout. I'm gonna need to, oh crap, I should have taped that. Because this paint is like super tough and does not come off easy. All right, I gotta add some tape and open a window because it smells so strong. Much better. So I did wipe the surface clean already too. It's important. So fun. No, 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 no. Oh no. No. That would not be good, him getting this on him, my goodness. Just stink like paint. I don't know why I picked such a cold day to do this. It's chilly in here. I know I do plan on replacing this countertop, so I'll probably have to touch up the paint in this area, but I don't know when I'm going to get to that, so for now I'm just painting it all, and I'll touch it up one day when I have to. Looking pretty good though, eh? Not bad. Cool. That part's done. I should have painted this wall first because now I'm using my left hand and it's hard. If you hear my cats jumping up at the door while I'm in here. I've done 2 coats here of paint. Looks good, eh? Now I gotta do the door, another coat on it, and this area. So that's 2 coats of primer on the tile. Looks pretty good, eh? So now I'm working on the window, and I have a couple of hooks here from blinds that used to be in the window that I'm gonna take down. Alright, got the pieces off. Look at how nicely my tile's coming. Just this section here has a coat of paint as well. Looks so good. None of that has any paint yet, but I'm going to do it soon. You can kind of see up close the difference. It's cool. Alright, so check it out. My bathroom is looking amazing. So I did record me painting that, but for some reason I lost all the footage. So this down here, the radiator heater, I painted with the same paint as I used on the tiles. The same primer, I mean. Then I put a coat of paint on it. So it looks really good, doesn't it? I still have to go around and do the trim on the bottom, down here behind the toilet and stuff. That'll be fun. But I got a coat of paint on the side. My vanity looks so much better. I still want to replace the sink. But again, that's going to have to wait because I just don't want to spend the money right now. Got 2 coats of paint, I think, I put on the tile. I love the look of it. Turned out really nice. And then my mirror. So I might paint these walls white as well. I don't know yet. But right now I'm loving the way it looks. That needs obviously paint, but there's been a couple coats on the door. And the back of the door only has 1 coat of paint, so it's going to need another one. And then I will start on all the baseboard here that I haven't done yet. But the window, oh, I do need 1 more coat of paint on the window ledge, and like around the window as well. It's hard to see because it's so sunny. Let me see if I can find a better angle. It looks just so much better. So now when you come into my little bathroom, my little guest bathroom, it's a way more pleasant feel. Oh, hi. Love it. So next will be here, and this here, and this goes into the mudroom. So that'll be a big job as well. Again, I'm not going to paint that door because it's solid wood, so I won't paint it, but I'll paint the trim all around it. And I'll paint the radiator heater here, the window, and just all the frame. It's a mess in here, sorry, just in the middle of painting, so there's literally stuff everywhere. So have a great week and check back next time to see what else I've accomplished. Wish me luck. It's a lot of painting. It's really tiring because I do 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. So you gotta, and that door too to the bathroom was just a hassle. Like for some reason, it's really tight on the frame, just in like 1 spot. So I've had to sand down the frame and sand down the door and then repaint and reprime. And it's been driving me absolutely crazy. And I can't wait to be done with the bathroom. But anyway, it does look so much better than it did, at least. I'm really happy about that. So wish me luck. Yes, I'll prime, wait for it to dry, prime again, wait for it to dry, paint, wait for it to dry, paint again. It's just a long process, but it's really fun and it looks so much better at the end. See you in the next one.